Welcome back to Revolution, the home of automotive innovation, luxury, and exploration. Today, we're diving into one of the most iconic names in travel trailers, the 2025 Airstream Flying Cloud 25FB Twin. If you're seeking freedom, flexibility, and comfort on the open road, this twin-bed travel trailer might just be your next dream home on wheels. Let's explore why the Flying Cloud 25FB Twin stands out as a top-tier choice in the world of premium travel trailers. First things first, let's talk design. From the outside, the Flying Cloud embodies Airstream's timeless aluminum shell, aerodynamic, sleek, and unmistakably classic. At 25 feet 11 inches in total length, with a body width of 8 feet and a height just under 10 feet, it strikes the perfect balance between spaciousness and towability. With a GVWR of 7,300 pounds and a hitch weight of 835 pounds, it's ideal for many half-ton pickups and large SUVs. Now, the FB in its name stands for front bedroom, and this particular layout features twin beds instead of the typical queen. These 34-inch by 80-inch beds are situated at the front of the trailer, separated by a nightstand and surrounded by panoramic windows that flood the space with natural light. This twin configuration offers greater flexibility, making it easier for partners, friends, or solo travelers to enjoy their own space. The interior design reflects Airstream's dedication to both form and function. It's available in multiple decor packages like sunlit maple with Seattle mist or Carolina clay, combining soft tones, durable fabrics, and sleek cabinetry for a clean, modern aesthetic. LED lighting throughout ensures efficiency, while panoramic windows bring the outside in, offering an ever-changing view of the world around you. Moving toward the heart of the trailer, the living and dining area. You'll find a spacious ultra-leather dinette that converts into a sleeping space, accommodating guests or kids with ease. Across from it sits a plush lounge, perfect for reading, napping, or relaxing after a day of adventure. The wraparound storage, overhead lockers, and underbed compartments ensure you'll never run short on space. Now onto the galley, a true chef's delight. It features a 3-burner gas stove with glass cover, a convection microwave, a deep stainless steel sink with a residential-style faucet, and a roomy 8-cubic-foot refrigerator. The solid surface countertops add a touch of luxury while being easy to clean and incredibly durable. When it comes to bathroom amenities, Airstream doesn't compromise. The 25FB Twin features a split bathroom setup, with the shower on one side and the vanity and toilet on the other, allowing 2 people to get ready at once. A sliding door separates the bath area from the living space for privacy, while skylights and mirrors make it feel open and bright. But luxury doesn't mean sacrificing practicality. With a fresh water tank capacity of 39 gallons, a 30-gallon gray water tank, and a 17-gallon black water tank, the Flying Cloud is ready for extended off-grid adventures. Plus, it comes pre-wired for solar and includes 2 AGM batteries for improved energy independence. For comfort and climate control, the trailer includes a ducted air conditioning system with a heat pump, plus a 25,000 BTU furnace to keep you cozy in all seasons. Optional upgrades include a second AC unit and even solar panels for more boondocking capability. Entertainment is covered too, with a premium sound system, Samsung LED HD TVs, a Blu-ray player, and Bluetooth connectivity, all standard. And yes, it's Wi-Fi ready with optional Airstream connected for 4G LTE internet on the go. And let's not forget safety. The Flying Cloud 25FB Twin includes a rear-view monitoring system, stabilizer jacks, and high-quality Goodyear Endurance tires on aluminum wheels. There's also an included powered awning with LED lighting for relaxing evenings outdoors. So who is the Airstream Flying Cloud 25FB Twin made for? It's ideal for couples or solo travelers who value separate sleeping areas, modern amenities, and premium build quality. Whether you're full-timing or weekend adventuring, this trailer is ready to elevate every journey. To sum it all up, the 2025 Airstream Flying Cloud 25FB Twin is more than just a trailer. It's a thoughtfully crafted travel companion built with nearly a century of Airstream expertise. Comfortable, capable, and iconic, it invites you to hit the road, not just to escape, but to live fully. Thanks for watching Revolution. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more deep dives into the world's most exciting rides. Until next time, keep rolling forward.